What's up, guys? Today I picked up some Chris Josl1n ETNIES skate shoes. I've seen these a little while back and I thought I would give them a try. I've been currently skating the New Balance 1010 Tiago Lemos skate shoes. They're pretty good, but I kind of don't like them as much as I thought I would, so I decided to pick these up instead. I've been wanting to skate stair sets a lot more here lately, so I wanted to get something that I could just huck myself down stair sets and not feel it too much. Something that protect my feet good. And who else would be better to buy a shoe from than Chris Josl1n? He skates like some of the gnarliest stair sets ever. So these things got the Michelin rubber soles on them, so they should have plenty of grip. And I'm curious to see how they'll do with the DKL rubber grip tape. One of the reasons I decided to get these instead of another set of New Balance Tiagos is because, I don't know, this design is a little weird on these. Like right in the heel area, the middle of the shoe has got like an indentation and you don't have any grip there. You only have like the edges are grippy and they wear down really fast. So I've been kind of having an issue with the amount of grip I have on these. The front's not too bad, but the back's where the problem is, so I'm curious to see if these will fix that problem. I'll definitely do a follow-up review later on down the road once I skated these for a little while, and I'll let you guys know what I think about them. But as for the moment, I mean, they feel really good on the feet when you just put them on. I'm curious to see how they'll hold up, like long-term with grip and all the other things you'd expect out of a shoe. But I'll give you guys an update here in probably a month or two, and we'll see how they're looking. Here's what they look like on foot. They're comfortable as heck, even just trying them on. They feel like they're not gonna have much of a break-in period, really. They feel super good. I am super looking forward to these. This is my first pair of ETNIES I've ever gotten, so I'm really curious to see how they are. Well guys, I've skated these for the afternoon and I like them a lot. They are holding up really well. I'm just about too hurt today to try too much, but I'll throw a couple of clips in that I did today, so.
Heck yeah.